don't know how to properly trim my beard without just turning it into pure, even more chaos than it was. So decided that I was going to shave it off for now. You know, it's always the eternal cycle. I'll decide to grow it out again at some point and maybe actually learn how to trim the areas I dislike, which is kind of around the chin where it just starts going crazy and is pretty uncomfortable and all that. So done with the beard for now, but it always comes back, and so will eventually. So I've got about 2 more days on the coast, and then fairly soon I'll be going inland to check out spotted owls, to do some spotted owl surveys in the Cascades. So I'll be making a transition out there, so it seemed also kind of fitting to shave and get the different look, a little more princely than the last time, less the wild woodsman, but I'm always a wild woodsman at heart. Well, it is an absurdly windy day out at Bandon Beach. This is actually the last day I'll be out at the ocean before heading east to time, surveying for spotted owls until about the end of August and hanging out in the Cascades. So I'm kind of wandering around and just kind of enjoying the last of the exposure to the ocean as I can. Despite all the violence and the intense winds, it's always just such an amazing experience to see this kind of force of nature that was so crucial to constructing everything. You know, the reason we are here is because of the Earth's waters. So it's just an amazing thing. So let's go see what I can find. The wind's too strong to really set up my camera. I had it collapse on the first attempt and I'd rather not bury it in sand, so just gonna wander around and see what I can find. I filmed this thing before, but I just absolutely love this gigantic piece of driftwood here that got latched between the rocks. It's just this kind of change of form and texture where what was once an old growth tree starts to inherently change in some way, and its form and how it looks just starts to match the ocean. It's especially amazing with how violent these waves are right now, that you just feel like these kind of, you know, ocean spirits or something. Just this profound kind of amazing nature of the way that coastal environments work. I just love it. Just amazing colors and amazing texture, and just almost this kind of giant laden amongst the rocks.